Hello and welcome. Today we'll be doing a listing, specifically the prayer facilities listing. First thing we do, add listing, find the listing tab, choose the listing package, and immediately I'll find 4 sections that I have to complete. Over here I'll notice there's a red star. All of the red stars are compulsory to finish. Name compulsory, description no red star, of course not compulsory, optional. Name Eastern Cape Mosque, description fantastic. Tags are basically words people can put in the search bar that will allow them to find you. So what words could be associated to my title? There we go. Now we are visiting the features area. This is an area where people can get a better understanding as to what they can expect from your listing. In the first one, it is compulsory. We have to say, is it a prayer facility which is a mosque, or is it a prayer facility which is a office space, for example, a prayer room? In our case, we'll say a mosque. Now we have to show whether it is a space where there is Friday congregational prayers or not. Are there opportunities for learning when it comes to adults? Are there opportunities for learning when it comes to students? Points of interest. Facts that would attract individuals to your listing. Now we are visiting the contacts and location area. The location is compulsory, red star. The address, not compulsory, but of course people need to know where they are going. What is the space that they're going to visit? For now I'll say Eastern Cape, and the address of course can be specific or non-specific. Specific meaning the building number and street. Non-specific would be the city name, the suburb name, or the residential space. I must mention that whatever address we put in will be populated on the map, on the Silk Road Today map. If it is such that you don't want your space to be found on the map, hide map, but I highly suggest, of course, to leave that space open so that you can be found alongside many other prayer facilities in the area. Then I add the phone number, email and website of the people which can be contacted. In this case, I will say that we are open 24 hours. If it is such that it is a space where there are social links, social networks, maybe a YouTube channel, an Instagram link, or whatever it may be, I can of course add that in here, but for now I'll leave that empty. Now the important part, beautiful. So in this case, our facilities, we have a logo, so I've added a logo. As you can see there, the building is also there, easily to identify. This is what it looks like inside, and of course the local cat. There is an optional video that we can put in here, and then also a PDF document which you can upload. It could be a leaflet. Save and preview. Fantastic. There we go, our logo, couple of the photos. I can really go into them, see what they look like. If I am someone who takes the garden route quite often, I could save this. If I'm someone who wants to share a beautiful mosque with people, I can share with them. If I am someone who identifies this space and I realize that it's actually a mosque that's non-existent, I can go over and say report. Then all the information which we filled in will show on this page. It's a description, all the features, all the points of interest, and then of course my media. If it is such that I do visit this mosque today, I would put in the reviews over there. People can leave feedback. They can say, for example, the area is quite nice, it is safe, the locals are very friendly, all of these things. And there we go.